Hello Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now my friends, in this video I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What's the price changes token, the Bittorrent token and a BTT? And this video I'm going to show you, and you know what my friends, when will the price of the BTT token increase my friends? You know what my friends, the price of Bittorrent token is very badly fast down from the previous last 2 months from my friends. So when will the price increase? And this video I'm going to show you. Keep watch this video complete, and before starting this video please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos my friends. My friend, this time the latest price of the Bittorrent token BTT as 0.002578 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. And furthermore, you can see here, if we talk about the price changes occur in the Bittorrent token, so now the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Bittorrent token as negative. Completely my friends, completely falls down occur in the BTT token. So that's why the people, a lot of people message me on Instagram, a lot of people worrying about that when will the price pump. My friends, let me show you the price chart and let's try to detect the next move of the Bittorrent token my friends. My friend, that is the last 24 hours price chart and last 1 day price chart. From this chart, that's clear that the BTT price is completely going down, but that's not mean that you are disappointed my friends. Don't worry. Now if I zoom the chart, so that's clear from this chart that now in the last time, you can see in the last 2-5 minutes the Bittorrent token started jumping my friends, but we can't say about the future. Maybe the price again falls down, maybe the price pump. There's two possibilities: as the price pump, as the price dump my friends. We can't say about the future, but I think there's a lot of chances to the price will pump, because after a falls there is a jump my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about the Bittorrent token my friends? Now in a few hours, I hope in a few hours the price will pump my friends, so don't worry about this my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates videos my friends.